one product. We have a full range of product to cover the outdoor area. It could be pergolas, cabanas, carports, or even pool covers. Our factory in Miami, Florida produces different products to fit any kind of lifestyle, budget, and customer's project. Our outdoor shade products are designed according to our high-end standard. We benefit from 20 years of experience and expertise. Azenco came from the European market, where that kind of product exists for more than 20 years right now.
Azenco was born from my father's construction industry and manufacturing skills and my design expertise. It's a family business actually. Azenco designs and manufactures a comprehensive and innovative range of outdoor products. We focus on innovation, design, quality, safety and adaptability.
Shade structures have integrated gutter system, and you don't see any screws at all on the structure. Also, our louver has a very unique design on the market. Our structures are made in aluminum and totally powder coated. We have, of course, great warranties, 15 years warranty on all our products.
Show Pros sells Azenco pergolas because Azenco provides everything that we are looking for our customers here in South Florida. At Show Pros, we've seen a lot of aluminum structures come and go in the marketplace. There are a number of competitors to the Azenco product, but in our opinion, there is no comparison.
What we feel sets Azenco apart is the design of the canopy. There are no visible screws, no visible seams. Everything flows nice and seamlessly. It has a louver and gutter system, which actually doesn't leak. We feel that the World of Beer project flowed seamlessly all the way from quote to install to having a functioning product out on the wall as it is right now, as it should be. And that was mainly through the help and support of Azenco. You know, they were right with us the entire step of the way.